The battlefield is constantly changing. Predicting what happens next, like a sudden attack, equipment failure, or bad weather, means staying one step ahead. AI helps military leaders make better decisions by forecasting movements, supply chains, terrain shifts, and even the psychological state of troops, reducing the uncertainty they face. Humans can only process a limited amount of information in a short time, and battlefield conditions change fast. AI, however, can handle hundreds of data points at once faster and more accurately than humans. It processes vast amounts of information without the fatigue or stress that can lead to mistakes in human decision-making. AI prediction systems rely on algorithms that analyze data from key sources: satellite imagery, drone and aerial surveillance, communication intercepts, sensor data, logistics information, weather data, geospatial mapping, biometric data, and historical battle records. For example, AI can predict the likelihood of an ambush based on past enemy behavior or foresee equipment breakdowns by analyzing vehicle sensor data. On the software side, AI works best when given clear, data-driven goals that can be turned into algorithms. It helps commanders choose where to position forces, when to strike, or how to adjust supply lines. While AI is great at solving complex problems, it struggles with qualitative judgments like assessing the morale of troops, which are harder to translate into numbers. AI doesn't give just one outcome, it generates multiple scenarios, helping commanders plan for different possibilities. Machine learning gets smarter over time by analyzing more data, improving predictions. With expertise in AI development, JetSoftPro understands how to turn complex data into actionable insights. Contact us to get a strategic advantage from AI technology.